Hello internet, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to fix the error from Ubuntu on Ubuntu. The error is MySQL error. We can say localhost then you enter here and say /php myadmin. You can say php myadmin, php myadmin, then you enter. Once you enter here, I'm gonna enter my password and say enter. Once I'm here, I want to create a database account. It tells me no privileges, so it simply means I can't do anything. What do we do? I'm gonna try to go to and say sudo MySQL and say enter. Ask me the password. Okay, it takes me here. So now I want to give myself privileges. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna edit this thing and I put my username here, which is gonna be MUSA. Whatever I give you here, that's what you're gonna put. Then you're gonna say MUSA. Okay, this line, once you see me dropping it there, just copy it and try to use the same line. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm making the screen to be a little bit bigger so that you can see everything. So it says grant capital letters, space, capital letters, all capital letters, privileges, capital letters, equal, no, space, capital letters, on, capital letters, space, star, space, dot, space, star, then two capital letters, open quote, your username of the database, close quote, then at, open quote, localhost. All those are small letters. Say quote, another quote, which is a single quote. All those quotes are single quotes. Space, identified by, all that in capital letters, but between identified and by there's a space. Then you put another space after by, then you say password, you put in the password you use on that user, then space with grant options. So after that, we're gonna say enter. After, when you send it, say you have an error, MySQL syntax, check the manual, whatever corresponding with that. Okay, if that did not work, it's fine. We're gonna try something else here. I'm gonna get you one by one. I'm gonna say user here. I'm gonna use the user, which is gonna be that. Came prepared. Let's see if everything gonna work. But here, what are we solving? What we're solving here is just to give privileges. Once you give privileges, then it's gonna be fine. Once you give privileges, it's gonna be good. It's paste here and say enter. Wow, you see that is much worked as a charm. It says 0 rows affected. Once you see that in MySQL, just know that everything's going well. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to see what's going on. You can restart the server if you want, but once we're here, we can try to see create. Okay, it still give us that problem. So but I think we can close and also try to say what you say, grant all privileges on this person. Okay, that should work. So if it didn't work, then you see, if it did not work, then let's look into our, okay, this didn't work. So what are we gonna do? So we're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna say start. It's gonna be sudo MySQL, or sudo, no, it's gonna be sudo apt service service MySQL start. Invalid operation. So what does it do? Sudo service, it's gonna be service MySQL start. Okay, but I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna restart, because you can stop. Let me stop it and start it. Stop. So if I stop it, simply means it won't work. It should not work unless if it's gonna restart it. So by default, we're using Ubuntu here, so chances are high that it can restart itself. It's not like Kali, my PHP, my admin. When you go here, it's restarted itself, which is okay. We're gonna say okay, we logged in. See, wow, we're facing another problem. So that username is kicked out, so we're gonna say root 1. Wow, maybe because this was stopped. Let me restart that. Okay, once I start it, let's see, service is started. Say root 1. Maybe, oh no, I'm not going to use root 1. I'm going to use what I know here. Okay, wow, so it was waiting for us to restart. Let me save this. After saving, we're gonna get into here. Wow, you can see that we've managed to fix the problem. What was the problem? The problem was to give privileges. After giving that privileges, I'm gonna name this my database called my privileges. Then I'm say create. Okay, now I've created a database called my priv. You can see here, that's what was giving you trouble, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We managed to fix your problem, or our problem, or everybody's problem. So now I don't think we have any other issues. We can create databases, we can create tables into the database, and all that. So also you can see that message which pops up here: access denied for user PHP my admin localhost. Now we leave that alone, because it's none of our business. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click here. It's gonna ask us to create tables. I'm gonna create names, and I say db names for whatever. I create that and put into whatever, int only. I wanna just create one, then I say save. Okay, once I saved that table, I can create a new table under this, call it what, fees. After creating that fees table, we can also create ID. That's all I need. Then I save. Everything is working well, no stress, everything is smooth. So I wonder why that problem was giving me some problems before. It's something simple to fix. So you just give privileges to that user, and you saw which command we used. I'm gonna put it into our description below, so please don't forget to subscribe. And also we ask that you share our content on each and every platform: Facebook, Twitter, everywhere you can post our video. We really gonna appreciate that. This is Azania Tutorials. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Okay.